Stop walking past Target like it's just a place for household goods and clothing. One of the most overlooked preparedness stores in America is sitting in every metro area, and trained eyes have been quietly walking those aisles for years. 15 items, each one priceless when the grid goes down. Total cost under $150. Why the harvest window is open right now. Before the grid fails, every Target in America is a stockpile of overlooked survival assets at prices that make no sense for the capability they deliver. After the grid fails, those same aisles are stripped within the first 90 minutes of any documented panic event, and the supply chain that restocks them has stopped functioning. The window to harvest these items is right now, while everyone walking past assumes Target is just for household basics and clothing. Most preppers spend $300 on tactical gear from specialty retailers when the same functional capability sits on a Target shelf for a fraction of the cost. The 15 items on this list each solve a specific grid-down problem. None of them appear on standard prepper checklists. All of them disappear from shelves within hours of any documented infrastructure event. The harvest is open right now. It closes the moment the lights go out. Threshold and Room Essentials, wool blankets. Threshold and Room Essentials, wool and cotton blankets. Heavy fleece and wool blend blankets at $20 to $40 each. Target's textile section carries thermal-rated blankets sold as bedroom accessories that outperform many purpose-built emergency blankets. Wool blankets in particular insulate even when wet and resist fire compared to synthetic alternatives. Functions extend beyond bedding, improvised insulation in shelter walls, padding under sleeping bags on cold ground, fire-resistant work covering, and barter material. Stockpile 3 heavy blankets per family member. Item 2, Coleman and Everstart Camp. Stoves and butane. Coleman and Everstart Camp stoves and butane canisters. 2-burner propane camp stoves at $40 to $80. Single-burner butane units at $20 to $35. Fuel canisters at $5 to $12. Cooking capability becomes the foundation of every other survival function: boiling water for purification, preparing food, and producing heat in confined spaces with proper ventilation. Target consistently stocks these in seasonal aisles at prices lower than specialty outdoor retailers. Stockpile 1 2-burner stove plus 8 fuel canisters. Rechargeable and battery-powered LED lanterns and headlamps. Enbrighten and Energizer LED lanterns at $15 to $30. Headlamps at $10 to $20. Hands-free illumination becomes essential when no household lighting works, and any task requiring both hands plus light becomes impossible without proper equipment. Target's tools and hardware section carries lanterns that produce 500 to 1,000 lumens on standard batteries. Stockpile 2 lanterns and 3 headlamps per household. Item 4, Sterilite sealed storage totes. Sterilite and Iris clear plastic storage totes. 20-gallon to 66-gallon sealed totes at $8 to $25 each. Food storage, water storage, ammunition storage, document protection, and any moisture-sensitive supply needs sealed containment. The clear construction lets you identify contents without opening containers, which matters when you're accessing supplies in limited light. Stockpile 6 totes in mixed sizes. Item 5, insulated water bottles and thermoses. Contigo and Thermos insulated water bottles and thermoses. Stainless steel insulated bottles at $15 to $30. Thermal food containers at $20 to $40. Insulated containers maintain water temperature for 24 hours and keep hot food warm for 8 hours, which becomes critical when cooking fuel is rationed and every heat cycle must be maximized. Stockpile 2 bottles per family member plus 2 large thermoses. Threshold and made by design cotton bed sheets and cotton throws. Full and queen size cotton sheet sets at $20 to $40. Cotton sheets tear into strips that function as bandages, water pre-filters, cordage material, and improvised wound dressings. A single queen sheet yields roughly 30 yards of usable strip material. The applications stack across nearly every survival category at minimal cost. Stockpile 2 sheet sets specifically for repurposing. Item 7. Up and Up First Aid and Bulk Medication. Up and Up First Aid Supplies and Bulk Medication. Comprehensive first aid kits at $15 to $40. Bulk bottles of ibuprofen, acetaminophen, antihistamines, and antidiarrheal at $8 to $15 each. Target's Up and Up House brand consistently costs 30 to 50% less than name brand equivalents at pharmacies while delivering identical active ingredients. Wound care and medication management become critical when emergency rooms are overwhelmed or inaccessible. Stockpile 1 comprehensive kit plus 1 bottle of each medication category. Item 8. Bulk candles and tea lights. Threshold and hearth and hand candles and tea lights. Bulk unscented pillar candles at $8 to $20. Tea light multi-packs at $5 to $15 for 100 counts. When the grid fails, lighting becomes one of the highest value capabilities in any household. A single 100 count bag of tea lights provides roughly 800 hours of illumination at less than a penny per hour. Stockpile 2 bulk candle packs plus 1 tea light multi-pack. Cat and Jack and Universal Thread children's and adult wool socks. Merino and wool blend socks at $6 to $12 per pair. Wool insulates even when wet and resists odor accumulation longer than synthetic alternatives, which means it stays functional when laundering capability is limited. Foot care becomes critical when walking becomes necessary. Stockpile 4 pairs of wool socks per person. Item 10. Rain jackets and lightweight outerwear. Cat and Jack and All in Motion, rain jackets and lightweight outerwear. Rain jackets at $20 to $40, insulated vests at $25 to $50. Waterproof outerwear becomes essential when shelter is compromised or extended outdoor movement is required. Target's private label outerwear costs 1/3 of what equivalent Columbia or North Face gear costs while delivering comparable water resistance. Stockpile 1 rain jacket per family member. Item 11. Made by Design cast iron cookware. Made by Design and Threshold cast iron cookware. Cast iron skillets and Dutch ovens, $25 to $60. Cast iron cooks over any heat source, propane stove, wood fire, charcoal, or improvised setup, and lasts for generations with minimal maintenance. Target's private label cast iron performs identically to Lodge cast iron at 40% lower cost. Stockpile 1 large skillet plus 1 Dutch oven. Item 12. Up and Up Bulk Hygiene Supplies. Up and Up Bulk Hygiene Supplies. Bulk multi-pack toilet paper at $20 to $30. Feminine hygiene products at $10 to $20 per multi-pack. Bar soap in multi-pack quantities at $5 to $10. Beyond obvious sanitation function, paper products serve as fire-starting tinder, wound padding, and improvised filtration material. Feminine hygiene products in particular are documented as effective improvised wound dressings due to their absorbency and sterile packaging. Stockpile 1 month of supplies per family member. Item 13. Threshold pet food in bulk. Threshold pet food in bulk bags. Large bags of dog and cat food at $15 to $40 depending on size. Pet owners realize their animals depend entirely on them during panic events, but pet food is overlooked by people without animals, which means it sometimes stays on shelves slightly longer than human food. The protein and fat content makes it a survival calorie source in genuine extremity. Stockpile 1 large bag per pet plus a buffer. Item 14. Battery multi-packs and USB power banks. Battery multi-packs and USB power banks. Energizer and Duracell multi-packs are priced from $10 to $25, and portable USB power banks range from $20 to $50. Battery-powered devices become the only source of light and information when the grid is down. Power banks charge phones, headlamps, and small electronics from stored capacity for weeks after wall power fails. Stockpile 2 multi-packs of AA and AAA batteries, plus 2 power banks. Item 15. Target reusable bags, the reveal. And here's the one I held for the end because most people don't recognize what they actually are. Target reusable bags are in the 99-cent bin at the front of every store. The heavy canvas and polyester reusable shopping bags are priced at 99 cents to $3.99 each. The single most overlooked strategic item in the entire store because they are sold as environmental convenience rather than survival infrastructure. Functions include water carrying when lined with any plastic bag, dry food storage for bulk grain and beans, gear organization for bug-out kits, harvest bags for foraging, sandbags for flood mitigation when filled with sand, improvised chest and shoulder carriers, and barter containers in any post-collapse trade economy. A single Target reusable bag holds up to 40 pounds and folds flat for storage. Stockpile 10 bags in mixed sizes for under $20 total. They are the most functional dollar per utility item in the entire retail environment. Outro. 15 items. Total cost under $150. Wool blankets, camp stoves and fuel, LED lanterns and headlamps, sealed storage totes, insulated water bottles and thermoses, cotton sheets for repurposing, first aid supplies and bulk medication, bulk candles, wool socks, rain jackets, cast iron cookware, bulk hygiene supplies, pet food, battery multi-packs, and power banks, and Target reusable bags. 15 items that solve every category of grid-down survival need: warmth, cooking, light, storage, water, medical, and mobility. Most people will watch this video and do nothing. They will walk through Target this week looking at seasonal displays while every item on this list sits on shelves they walk past. You are not most people. You are already thinking about which Target is closest and when the next free shopping trip can happen. If you want the exact aisle-by-aisle walkthrough plus the priority order for limited budgets, subscribe to this channel. Next video covers the 12 items at every Walmart that quietly outperform their specialty retail equivalents in every documented disaster scenario. The harvest window is open right now. It closes the moment the grid does. You just finished learning the next one.